Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sarah channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this paper rose out of either toilet paper or tissues. This craft is super fun, simple, and easy to do. All it requires is either tissues or toilet paper, scissors, tape, green modeling clay, or a real or fake plant stem, either a toothpick or a paper clip, and hot glue. Take 4 tissues or about 25 squares of toilet paper connected and fold them in half. Keep folding the toilet paper until it's about the same size as a folded tissue. And you're going to put the tissues on top of each other and just cut a few petals, about 3 or 4. Same thing with the toilet paper, just cut about 3 or 4 petals. And then you're going to tape the tissues together. This step is not needed if you're using toilet paper because it's already connected. Then you're going to take your toothpick or paper clip and you're going to roll the tips of the petals. Next, you're going to roll the rose together. You need to be very careful and slow to make sure that you are getting the right shape and making it very realistic. And then you're just going to kind of tug on the different petals and make them look not so tight together, but more like they are a rose, more like it's blooming and the petals are coming out. If you're going to sculpt your own stem instead of using a real or artificial one, then you're just going to use your fingers and maybe some tools to shape the green clay. And you can use your toothpick or paper clip to draw some leaf veins if you want. Then you're just going to hot glue the bottom of your rose and stick it into the stem. And when the glue is done drying, you'll have a beautifully handcrafted tissue or toilet paper rose. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like and subscribe for new videos every Saturday. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!